Groundhog's Day. I feel like I'm living in Groundhog's Day. This is the second time that I've been at home this year. In June, I had a baby. So in June, I started on my journey of 12 weeks of maternity leave. This was no surprise to me. I was a toddler teacher, so I was used to the routine and changing diapers, drying tears, tackling nap time. But it was different because this little girl was mine and she wasn't going home at night. But I'm going to fast forward. I'm going to fast forward through those 2 a.m. feedings and me trying to figure out why she's trying to pull and eat my hair and trying to figure out my work-life balance. And I'm going to hit that remote 9 months later. 9 months later, I'm back in the toddler room and I'm wondering if I'm going to get pink eye or the flu or the stomach bug. Now we add COVID-19 to the mix. Trying to figure out more times to wash our hands, but before I can, my director calls and she tells me we're closed. We're closed for 2 weeks, maybe more. Then the governor backs it up with Delaware County is on lockdown. So we are to stay at home. We are to stay safe. Work canceled, social events canceled. All right, we got this. This is my second time home with a baby, being told not to go outside because of germs. All right, so I'm used to finding fun where I can because of this. So we are finding Facebook Live and having dance parties in our living room. And then I wanted to take Lucy on this virtual field trip on a farm, and I find this Blippi video. Well, I didn't know what rabbit hole it would cause on YouTube finding this Blippi video. We have seen so many Blippi videos that I see the blue and orange in my sleep, and I hear the theme song all day. Another thing we're doing for fun is children's books. I've become obsessed with children's books. I think it's because I'm missing my toddlers and they're just boiling out of my brain at this point. So I'm recording them every day and sharing them. Something really cool has happened though, because a virtual story time has come about and we're just this ragtag group of toddler teachers just filling the void from not doing morning meeting. It's something I look forward to every day, and it's something Lucy gets to giggle and babble at her teachers. I've also discovered the porch. I've been spending a lot of time on the porch. I stare at it, sit on it. We play on it, we draw on it with sidewalk chalk, then we go in and we do it again. I find myself dreaming about the porch and redoing the porch and looking up porch furniture on Lowe's and Facebook Marketplace. Only the comfiest for my beloved porch. The final thing we're doing is we discovered Mommy and Me fitness videos. But this is actually turned into Family and Me fitness videos, and they're hilarious because you're trying to take this little baby and maneuver her to whatever the exercise is. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. This is our new normal. This is our Groundhog's Day. This is what we do every day. So we're learning to laugh when it's funny, make memories when we can, try not to trip over the occasional rogue chair, and do it again tomorrow.